Okay, so for this assignment, the first thing you're gonna have to do is merge a couple cells. So you don't double click in the cell, just once tap over in the first cell, then into the second. Then you can click on the merge and center button and it will merge those together. Next, the first two columns, I go over 2 spaces to even them out. You need to format. Right here are the borders. I want borders throughout. Then I put borders on all of it because I like borders. I can click on it. Okay, so startup expenses, that's the one-time expense that you're going to have. You can change the color of the background by adding a fill. I think they use whatever color your company has, I would use that. You're going to put all the types of expenses. So maybe you need a building. Maybe you need to pay for a network of computers, which is a one-time expense. So let's say your building is $100,000, which makes no sense. Your network of computers is 125. And then once you're done, you research what are startup expenses for that type of business. You look to see what they are. Down here, I go to my formulas. I am going to auto sum. I'm going to do a sum. It might go ahead and already figure out which cells to sum. If it does not, you just click on the cell once and then hold and drag down all the cells you want it to sum and then click on enter and it automatically adds it. You're going to want to turn it to currency. So I go back home and up here somewhere will be currency. I want currency, but I want the decimal to be over